Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Infinix mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Infinix mobile guys screen rotate problem how to fix. Friends you can see phone screen rotate problem how to solve, how to fix one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video friends. You can see when I on YouTube app, when I on any application app friends, you can see screen automatic rotate. So how can I fix this screen rotate problem in my Infinix mobile? Same problem friends you have. So when open your phone setting, after on phone setting friends you can see this type interface in your device. So friends in your Infinix mobile you can fix screen rotate program from your special function setting. Friends click here special function setting. After on special function setting then scroll it accessibility setting, again scroll, and friends you can see screen rotate setting is enabled, so you will have to disable. After disable friends your screen will not rotate automatic. Friends you can check screen will not rotate automatic. Friends you can see YouTube screen, Google app screen, and friends again if you enable auto rotate screen setting friends you can see screen will rotate automatic. You can try friends, you can see screen will rotate automatic. So like that friends you can use your screen rotate setting in your Infinix mobile, and you have any problem so disable your screen rotate setting, your screen will not rotate. And friends you can fix from your display brightness setting also. Open your display brightness setting, and friends you can see auto rotate setting is here. If you on, your screen will rotate, and you don't want to use screen rotate setting, click here, your problem solved. So like that friends we can solve screen rotate problem in Infinix mobile from accessibility setting and from display brightness setting. Bye friends.